Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I'm going to show you how I did a bedroom makeover on a budget. So that's my bed, that's my assistant, the tripod, and that's my curtain, a mini skirt of a curtain. It was too short. That's my shoe rack, my laundry basket, my wardrobe, my shenanigans over there. That's where I keep my toiletries. And that's me. That's the baby girl. This is after I've removed the bed, and I don't know what I was thinking putting the mirror over there. No, this is the progress, fixing the new bed. If you're interested with the fundi who made the new bed, you can comment down in the comment section and I'll give you his number. I wanted the bed to stay like that, the headboard to face the window, but it was too tall. It was covering almost the whole window, so I had to change the plans. This is the next day. I bought this mattress at Dr. Mattress, and it's very firm. We had to confirm the inches. And that's me testing the mattress. This was me over there being confused, not knowing what to do. It was time to remove the other curtains and put new curtains. So I'm starting with the sheer. And I extended the curtain rods because the other ones were too small. I don't know what I was thinking buying this cream curtain. It was not going with the theme. Then this is me making the bed. So sorry, I forgot to adjust the camera for you to see me making the bed, but we move on. The mattress was not that firm for the first 3 days, but after that, I don't feel like waking up. It's so firm and it's so comfortable.
You've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it.
That is me spraying my body mist to my sheets for them to smell fresh. So approximately I spent around let's say like 40,000. Was it 40? Yeah. Let's say I spent, no, let's say 42,000 with this makeover. That is the bed, the mattress, the curtains, paying the person who was fixing the bed, the person who deep cleaned the room, all that. This is after. Still, yes, here I had to change the curtains to grey because the other color was not giving. Yes, don't mind my kitamba over there, my bonnet. Now this is the room. As you can see, I changed the shoe rack. It was on the other side of the door. Right now it's beside the bed. Plus the toiletries. Kanini. Kanaitwa kanini hapo. Waka kutukakeka toiletries. So I had to change it. Yes, and that's the full tour of the room. How it's looking like right now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.